Alright, next up on the list is first of all, we've sorted out all of this. Let's just sort all of that. Lowercase, fantastic. But we got NAs everywhere. We don't really want them in the document. So let's have a look at first identifying, because we may not have such a small data set like this. So let's identify the NAs within the document and take them out also. So let's go on number 3, which is sort out the NAs. So there's a cool little stats program called Complete Cases that I found out about, which is Complete Cases, which is the stats NA. Right. So basically makes a binary factorial variable: false, 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 true, false, false, true, true, false, false, true, 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 false, true, false of the document. It turns out as a list, and it says basically true or false if the row has an NA. It's about the rows, okay, not about the columns. So we can put which. This is interesting. Which is not a complete case row, which does contain an NA in it. And we can put complete cases. We'll put our NA in there. Okay, now it goes and gives us a little numbered list. This row number, this row number, this row number is incorrect, etc. So let's make this a variable. So this has NA. These numbers, this list number has NA. Okay? Got NA. Same thing as that. Right. After that, let's make a no NA variable, which is super simple. You put NA, put the little boxy thing, which is in the NA thing. We want this out of it. Okay? Now, if you put a negative, you want it to be taken away. Just chopped. Alright? And you just put in got underscore NA. Put the comma, because this side of the comma is rows, this side of the comma is the columns. So you just put that in, and now we've got a new variable called no NA, and we can go up here, and it is wrong. Why is it wrong? Okay, well, it appears I forgot to account for Damasery, which professionals may call human error. Basically, when I imported the data, it only accounted for the blanks as true NAs. The string NAs were just strings. Which means it is useless. Okay, right. Let's do something. Let's figure this out. All right. Okay, so let's make a function. Cal empty cells. Okay, cool. Let's do function. Let's make x the thing we're going to the data frame. We want to print the info because I'm going to be making a text, I guess. I'm going to be pulling out these specific irritations, like the smaller case NA and large case NA, and whether it's being seen by R as a true NA, etc. So let's just make a paragraph, right? So let's start with y. Okay, y. We're going to make the sum of is.na x, I guess. Yeah. Yeah, that should work. Okay, cool. Now let's make z. Z, you can be the sum of x that equals, let's make it just the smaller case na. And then we have to say na dot rm equals true. Let's do a, I guess. Sum again. X equals big Na, I guess. Then I can go na dot rm because you don't want to account for the true blanks, I guess. And b, maybe? Okay, whatever. It doesn't really matter. Sum x equals. Oh no. Maybe n dash a. However, some random person might want to be inputting your data as. But na dot rm equals true again. Okay, now. Okay, so. And then, yeah, then we want total maybe. Total. Yeah, let's make a total, which is y plus z plus a plus b. Okay. Simple. Simple. And then if you print underscore info, which just says yes, then we want to make another little thing. Ding. Let's go down. We want to print, paste, print, paste. Okay, so let's do, there are a total of, damn it, a yeah, total of a na y, y is blank, just blank, so we'll do blanks, then we do z, lower case nas, and b, that's a bit confusing now, and b n dash a's. I know there aren't any n dash a's, and then put full stop, and then we can talk about the total. This is a total of blanks that you need to sort out. Okay, that should work. There we go. We've accounted for everything now, haven't we? So let's keep it go. Hopefully it works. Aha! Yes, cal empty cells. Okay, so let's have a look. Actually, let's put dumbass. Do that instead. Okay, so now let's do cal empty cells na. There are a total of 4 NAs, 11 blanks, 2 lowercase NAs, and 0 n-A's. This is a total of 17 blanks that you need to sort out, dumbass. Right. Let's have a look. Is this correct? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Oh, I must have missed one. God damn it. 1. Fine. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Yes, I did miss one out. So, turns out my little piece of code works perfectly. Now, you can keep adding these in this format, and it should be pretty straightforward, but it's way better than this crap. Because yeah, this accounts for literally everything. Well, you could have like an A and like a space in between it, or anything, but yeah, you can add that in your own time, just to kind of get comprehensive any inclusion of any terrible mistake in there, any iteration of NA. Okay, see you on the other side.